If you want to get additional jobs on Fiverr, here is an excellent way for you, and this only works if you already am established on Fiverr itself. If you already are receiving jobs on Fiverr, you can definitely go back and message the clients that you actually worked with to get additional work for yourself. And here is how you do it. It's very simple. All you have to do is to go to Fiverr itself, press on contacts and press on my bios. And over here, you're going to see every single person who actually bought a gig from you. The next thing you have to do is just to press on the page, the green thing that says send offer. So what you have to do next, you have to go and figure out what kind of gig did they buy from you. And then what you're going to be doing, you're going to be delivering to them a sample of the same exact gig, but at a price that's a lot more affordable to them. So instead of charging them the full price of 25 bucks that you usually price for this specific gig with the extras, you're going to give them the same identical offer for either less money, or you're going to give them a lot more work included for the same exact price. So you're giving them an excellent deal. So if they actually pick up on that and they buy from you, you will get even more jobs on Fiverr itself, because the Fiverr SEO would pick up that you're getting additional work, and so they will send you even more jobs to your profile itself. And this is a win-win situation for you. What I suggest for you is to figure out how many people you have on your list. So instead of contacting them, every single one of them, so let's say you have like 20 different people, you don't want to contact every single one of them in one day. What you want to do is contact about 5 of them every single day, and then spread it out over a week long period. Then make sure every single one of them gets a custom made letter to them. So you're going to actually write down the offer itself. You're going to tell them exactly what you're doing, and make sure that it has something to do with the gig that they ordered from you, which means you're going to spend a bit of time making sure you are sending the right offer to the right client, because then they know that you actually took the time to write them a personal note, and they are more likely to buy the custom gig that you will give them from you. And if you get more people to buy the gig from you, the more likely you'll get the client to come back to you again. So you kind of remind them about your service, and it keeps on going. So this is an excellent way to get a lot more extra jobs on Fiverr itself using the contacts form in Fiverr.